Hello everyone, it's Ron from High Tech Legion. We have reviewed the RHA MA450i and George has reviewed MA350 previously, and we were very impressed with the performance of these earphones. They're essentially are priced at a very affordable range, but they perform as if they were high-end audio equipment. Well, RHA also has their MA150, which is designed essentially to be much more affordable. This is their entry-level MA150 earphones, which still use the unique trumpet-like form factor of the MA350 and MA450i to produce accurate sounds without, of course, having a larger housing. And just to be a quick unboxing here, I don't even need to do my close-up unboxing usually, because this is what the RHA calls their Eco Pack. You can see that it's made of recycled material, very easy to open. Inside you get the earphone unit itself, of course, and you get a spare ear tip pack inside in a smaller, tiny box here. Really cute. Let me just open this up. And I believe it comes with 3 sizes, since one is already installed in our earphone. There should be, let's see that flying open here. Just show you that it comes with 2 additional sizes inside, and these are of course silicone tips for comfort, and it will fit more sizes from small to large depending on your ear size. Let me just put that aside here for a bit and show you the unit. Untangle that for a bit. Now, of course, to lower down the price compared to the MA350 and the MA450i, see already that it looks slightly different. It does not have the aluminum housing, but it still has the same shape as I mentioned, and this one is actually made of ABS plastic, so it's still durable. And the cord is not braided, although it is made of rubber. It's a rubber coated compared to the vinyl typically found on earphones in the same price range. Of course, rubber is a lot more durable. The problem is rubber tends to offer a lot more grip, so they're kind of hard to untangle. Hence, RHA provides this little Y cable untangler here that you just sort of slide up and down to easily untangle your cord when it's in your pocket. Of course, that's only for the 2 cables on top. At the bottom, you still have the rest of the cable to contend. The total cable length is about 1.2 meters, and right at the end here you have the angle connector. Now, this is a weird angle here. It's a 45-degree angle connector. You were saying it looks different compared to the typical 90-degree angle connector. But what this does is, of course, it provides a lot more clearance when you plug it in to phones that are inside thicker cases. I've seen some cases such as the ones from OtterBox. They have those really thick cases for your iPhone, and this essentially prevents clearance issues compared to 90-degree angle cables, while also providing the durability. Here you can see that it has anti-fraying protection in the end. Of course, if it's a straight-through cable, it is less durable from tugs and pull compared to an angle cable, especially when it's in your pocket. So that's kind of the logic and how RHA approached this design. Also, it is gold-plated, see here. And as for the performance, of course, I'm going to plug this in and test out how well it performs, and I'll do a magic edit here and come back to you after a few weeks and tell you how well it performed. Alright, so I have been wearing it for several weeks now, and of course, just like other RHA earphones, I was very impressed with the performance, especially considering the price. It is priced at $19.99 MSRP, or £14.99 if you're in the UK or across the pond. But in Amazon currently it is available for $14.99, so it's definitely a very good deal. Now, in terms of performance, it does make that very good seal. It's very comfortable for long periods of wear. And the silicone ear cap, of course, you want to make sure that it fits your ear properly. I didn't have to replace it this time compared to I thought I would need a smaller one, or I would need a larger one, but In fact, this regular one fits me just perfectly and is able to block out a lot of noise. In fact, if I'm wearing it right now, I won't be able to talk because I won't be able to hear myself. And because of that isolation, the bass is very good, very well defined, not boomy at all. And in fact, it is also very, very impressive. A lot more impressive compared to my other bass earphone. I have a Sony MD12LP, which is around the same price range, $14.99 to $20. And that one also has a larger housing to be able to produce the bass it needs to do. So, but this one is, of course, the RHA MA150 uses the trumpet design, so it's much more efficient in terms of delivering a well-defined bass. But they're unlike other MA350s and MA450, unlike other RHA earphones that I've said before, the performance, although it's good in some areas, the vocals I like it. I found the snare drums and the cymbals a little too splashy for my liking. You could tweak it a bit in the equalizer, but it's a little too distracting at times. The attack is just a little too harsh for my taste. But it does perform very well on some tracks and also on very high volume. The bass is very well defined. The kick is there, and it is very well defined. For the price, it does a very good job, and especially for $14.99 on Amazon, it's very hard to beat, and it's much better improvement compared to stock earphones that come with your media player or maybe your phone. Well, that's pretty much it for this review. This is Ron from High Tech Legion. I am going to give the RHA MA150 a gold award, especially considering the price and the excellent performance in relation to the price range. And you can read the rest of the review by clicking on the link below. You go to www.hightechlegion.com, go to our Facebook, facebook.com/HTLReviews, go to our YouTube channel, or if you're watching this on YouTube now, just click on the subscribe button at the top. If you haven't seen it here, you haven't seen it at all. We do over 1,000 videos. That's probably true. And you have also Twitter, if you want to tweet at us or keep up with our latest updates. Just go to twitter.com/hightechlegion. And once again, this is Ron, signing out.